Do you play Hunting Sniper? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Hunting Sniper onto your phone, no jailbreak, and this gives you unlimited resources. So as you can see, we are at 999, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Settings, go to General, go to Background App Refresh, and turn this on. Now go to battery and turn low power mode off. You'll know this is on because the battery percentage is going to turn yellow, so make sure low power mode is turned off. Finally, we're going to go to this website. It is called tweakgpt.com. So let me just type it in. So once you're on this site, guys, it's going to say like discover modified apps with our AI powered mods. So just go to the search bar where it says enter a prompt and type in Hunting Sniper. As you can see, guys, it should come right up. So it's going to say need the Hunting Sniper mod. Here's how. Go to Zoom mods. So once you're on Zoom mods, guys, you just want to type in Hunting Sniper, press on it, and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. It's only 46 MB, as you can see. So peace out. And if you go to the App Store and type in Hunting Sniper, like, it is so expensive, which is why I don't encourage playing it on the normal live without mods. So as you can see, guys, what the heck? Look how much it costs. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my method out because it's super cool, guys, and this is a fully working video. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is so insane. It's totally updated and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not finding any faults with this mod. Peace out and have a good day. This is crazy, my guy. Oh my gosh. Damn, brother. Check it out.